Welcome to the world of copper hydroxide. In this video, we explore the copper hydroxide market and its applications. The demand for copper hydroxide is driven by its extensive use in agriculture as a fungicide and pesticide. In addition to agriculture, copper hydroxide is also widely used in the manufacturing of various chemicals and alloys. The global copper hydroxide market is expected to grow significantly, fueled by rising agricultural needs. Key players in the copper hydroxide market include major chemical manufacturers and agricultural suppliers. Sustainability practices are becoming essential, and companies are focusing on eco-friendly production methods. Innovations in copper hydroxide formulations are enhancing its effectiveness in agricultural applications. The competitive landscape of the market is evolving, with new entrants expanding their presence. As regulations around chemical use become stricter, manufacturers are adapting their strategies accordingly. Looking forward, the copper hydroxide market will continue to be influenced by technology and consumer preferences. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the copper hydroxide market.